bag hit. These bitches don't see wrong, they stupid, they hypocrite. She said it was an old friend, they really like us some booty. Hope you guys do the, I mean shit, why do I do that? What did YouTuber's boy Bossni do? Fuck! What did YouTube? It's your boy Bossni. I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with a snack of the motherfucking day. Family sizing me, Joe with his job. Me, let me put y'all on game, man. Weekends, man. I'm telling you, first off, it's a healthy motherfucking snack. You know what I'm saying? 16 easy bitches, only 100 calories or some shit like that. Yeah, 120 calories, you feel me? And you gotta get the reduced fat one because the regular one, it tastes the fucking same. So why not get the healthier one? I'm just letting you know, I'm putting y'all motherfuckers on game. Let's get straight to it. This is fails I found from Myspace. I never had Myspace, you know what I'm saying? I was in the mixture of Facebook days, you feel me? And I didn't even have that, but we're gonna see what the fuck going on. Disclaimer, all this content is good, I don't give a fuck.
Dave, let's see if you can do it 5 times. I give you $10.
Do what?
It's heavy.
This can't end well. Ooh, you asshole. You didn't even hear the first time?
It's in my balls.
Hey, we back once again. This your boy Winfield Fun coming at you with some internet clips. We got some old ones, we got some new ones. Let's get it.
Are niggas still on MySpace? There's no way. Lord have fucking mercy.
Look at the dance. Look at the dance. Hold on, wait. Hold on.
This is still that happens when I record.
Yo, listen. Hey to the YouTube world. He likes to eat bananas.
We think.
Alright, nigga, I will let you.
I gotta edit that. Fuck!
Oh my god!
Damn. What was he trying to do? Jump over? My nigga, you didn't even come close.
Oh my god, what?
That could have been way worse.
1, 2, 3, go!
You didn't even get one step. Fucked up.
She's going just where nobody goes.
I saw that ass. What she can't even, damn. Oh, I didn't even. Ew, I didn't even see what happened.
Alright, it's recording, Nick. I got it.
Y'all heard that, right? I'm not tripping. My nigga, you better be careful.
Alright, it's recording, Nick. I got it.
Hey, my nigga, you cutting it real close. I gotta hear that shit one more time, bro. You cutting it dumb close. I ain't gonna say what I thought he said, but.
Alright, it's recording, Nick. I got it.
Nah, hell no. Damn. Nigga got a 2 for 1, okay. What the hell was Susan was trying to do?
Oh my god!
I'm gonna need these niggas to know how to learn how to brake before they get on this shit, bro. That can't feel good. Ew.
You cleaning it? Was it fun, Don?
Yeah.
Good boy. Is it cold?
Rachel feels really bad though.
Why? Oh, it's alright. There'll be no time. Oh, no.
Ooh. Okay.
Colson. Colson. Oh, sure.
I feel like I'm watching like ridiculousness, bro. America's Family Home Video. It's the last for me. All this white and you landed in one shit stain.
You're disgusting.
How the hell you did that?
Oh my.
Are you drinking that water? You sure? Are you drinking that water?
Little nigga gonna grow up to be a serial killer, bro. You can say I'm pretty stupid. Some of you, I ain't got the balls to try that.
Gary, you can do it. You got it, girl.
No, she can't. Even I know to keep your feet up. What the fuck was that? Wee! Oh, boy! Hey, how do you do that? What the fuck? Oh. I remember. Ooh. I remember I had one of them bitches.
Ready, you said?
Stupid little nigga finna get ran over. Oh, never mind. You ain't teach her how to break, my nigga?
Yo, I'm a wreck.
At least she knew it.
Easy!
Yeah, I guess.
That could have been way worse, too. Yeah, I hope you get your ass whooped. I'm busted. Yes. You ain't got no speed, my nigga. That was never gonna end well. Ooh!
Look where you go.
Stand up.
Yeah, that's that sound she made. Bro, what do you call it? Is it a different? Let me not say that dumbass shit. Cause y'all clown me for that snowmobile shit.
Yeah. Are you okay?
No, that nigga ain't okay. What did he get scared of? What happened?
Pedal fast. Don't hit the truck.
Nah, he deserved that.
Keep going, dude.
Common
Go right
sense.
through. Watch out! Watch out! Stop!
Ow, it's very muddy.
What you thought it was gonna be a slow leak, you dumbass?
Oh,
You saw his leg?
oh no.
What do you call that? What kind of vehicle is that? I want one, bro.
Okay.
I remember I always tried doing that shit, clicking your heels in the air. What do you call that? I think I saw Will Smith do that shit in Fresh Prince, and I was like, or was it Carlton? bitches. I got a party with the white folks, man. They know how to have fun. What is he? Oh, he got a what's I was like, what is he recording on? Oh my nigga, nigga! I thought that nigga was life ended.
Don't go in the mud.
How he landed the only puddle there?
Damien, move the bunny. You're telling me you haven't ate any candy today?
Bro, what the? This illiterate bitch. What did she just say? She did not say a complete sentence, bro. God, she didn't. Little nigga really lied to her face. That's crazy. My mama would've. What, nigga? Lie to me again. What's he doing? He stuck? He's gonna break, I bet. Oh, no. Oh, no. You gotta get your body strength up a little.
Get a shower.
Hey, thanks again for tuning in and watching all the way to the end of the video. If you want, chop it up with me, man. Hit me.
I'm thinking my nigga spitting, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below. Let me go answer this fucking phone call. This nigga obviously could not wait. We out this bitch. And don't forget to get the motherfucking snacks and tell them Bossni sent you, man. Family side, even though it's only for you.
Don't be mad if I dip. You lied to me, ain't tell me that last nigga had hit. These bitches don't see wrong, they stupid, they hypocrite. She said it was an old friend, they really open. I said you must be joking, little dumb bitch broken. I ain't never